There's no dragging at all now. Alright guys, welcome back. You might have read from the title or thumbnail that some changes I'm thinking about making to the channel. I'm going to try for the month of July, starting with this video. I'm going to consider it being in the month of July, but just doing one video a week for the foreseeable future. That may change in the cooler months, but right now, especially the cat's in here. You can tell, there he is. But this month is real busy. Usually go on vacation, which we are going on vacation, and holidays, and just wanting to go spend time with family at the lake and just see friends in general during the summer. I feel like I'm not having enough time to do all that, and two, my oldest goes back to school in August, so I really haven't felt like I spend much time with them this summer as of yet. So for at least the month of July, I'm going to do one video a week, probably release it Monday at 8 p.m. Anyways, 8 p.m. Might be a little bit longer than usual, because I figure my plan is to come out here a little bit throughout the week and just get footage, maybe the small things, but it may add up to be a pretty long video. And two, that'll give me enough time to spend with family and friends. And I also didn't mention I'm thinking about going back to school. I have my bachelor's degree and found some certified, I don't know what he's doing, certified online engineering, like civil engineering classes or schools that I'm going to look at to get into. Because I like to do something more than I'm doing now. If I start that'll take up quite a bit of time as well. For right now, I think for this month, we'll try the one video a week. So there'll be 4 videos in July. Like I said, I'll post them 8 p.m. on Mondays. Like I said, they'll hopefully give me more time to get better quality videos and really see the progress on the Bronco take shape quicker. It's back there in the Healy. But I'm sorry if if you don't like the new format I'm thinking about, but I just need more time spent with the family, and not so much time out here worrying. I need to do this today and have it edit tomorrow, and it'll just be better all around for me in general, and hopefully it'll be better, like I said, better quality videos, and you'll see the progress even more faster. And also too, I got a bunch of cleanup I need to do around my property. I got a fence line out there that has trees growing up in it. I haven't made it back out there yet, so hopefully doing that, it'll give me time to accomplish things around here that I want to do, and it'll free up more time for me to be in here working on the Bronco or the International or Healy. That being said, I think today we're going to come back to the Bronco, try to loosen some body mounts, see if that frees up the fender a little bit more, and we may mess with that back plate on the A-pillar on the driver's side, moving it forward a little bit. I think that's what I said I need to do, because I think when I screwed it down, it pushed the A-pillar to the rear, and that kind of closed that gap in. So I'm thinking we'll just take it off, maybe bend it a little bit, so when I screw it back down, it'd pull it more towards the front. And then we'll put everything back on it and check our gaps again. I just really don't want that fender flexing. I know it shouldn't. The fender should lay flush on the tub, because I didn't do anything to it. So I'm figuring it should lay flush and not have that bow at the bottom. I know it should have that bow. Shouldn't have that bow, but we're gonna try to mess with that. And I think sometime this week, maybe the next video, we might have a little bit of Camaro in it, because I plan on pulling it out. It needs to be washed, setting it out for a little while, airing it out, and then we're going to park it in the second barn, because that barn it's in now, it looks like it's about to collapse, and I hate for that to be crushed. So we're gonna get it out, let it run for a little bit, maybe take it up down the road a little bit, and put it in that second barn. And that way it should be safe. Anyways, that was a lot of stuff all at one time, but like I said, I just want to give it a shot. 1 month, see how one video a week does. It'll free up some time for me to get some things I need to get done around here done, and spend some time with family, and hopefully make better quality videos for you. But I understand if I lose some of you. No hard feelings, but please stick around. We're not giving up on this, and I'm not giving up on the channel. I'm just kind of, I don't say taking it easy, but just seems there's a better way of have home, family life, work life, possibly school life, and YouTube life. So trying to get a better mix of all that together. But anyways, let's get over there. We'll start taking stuff apart and moving stuff. Just to be another video, more fitment, and trying to get that fender to lay straight and the door to gaps, get them correct, and get that back of the door to quit sagging so much. And if we do all that, I think we're in good shape. So let's get to work. All right, got the strap on it again. I was trying to pull that pillar back, but I did notice that it's still dragging down here at the bottom. You can see our gaps pretty good until it gets right here, and then it kind of gets a little tight. Right in there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna shim this hinge right quick with the thick one, with one of the thick shims. Or wait, no. I think I'm going to shim this hinge. Try to push it that way, because the door don't need to come this way yet. I think if I push the bottom of the door that way, it should pivot this up some. It may get where this gap's too tight though, but I gotta get either that or my rocker's not where it needs to be. I got it level with that. I think I'm gonna loosen this body mount in here, and maybe this one right here, and see if that helps with the door any. Because that fender's on there, there's a big gap here, so the door needs to go this way some. Let me get this off here. Loosen some body mount bolts just a little bit, and then we'll look at it again. All right, we're really close. It's that back plate that's messed me up, but there's no dragging at all now. Body line's almost there. The body line's still pretty perfect right here. This gap's too big. And the fender is sitting lower, still not 100% down. It's still flexing there at the bottom. Still wants to be just a hair. But it got better by me strapping the top of the pillar and pulling it this way and then screwing it in. So it tells me this back plate is wrong. I should never cut it. So, don't know if I'm gonna order a new one or if I'm gonna recut that one and give it some more space to kind of fold back. Because I could use just a little bit more this way, a little bit more roll to the A-pillar. And I think that would make this fender fit a lot better. I mean, it's not bad now. It's just right on the edge of that outer rocker. It used to be right here where this black line is, but now, let me see, it's just right there. I can smash it in there, but then pinches it, and there's a triangle shape here. But anyways, if y'all know how to get this gap to look better here, let me know, because it's pretty big. And of course, the doors need to be adjusted out. The hinges need to come out a lot. But I'm excited. This is looking a lot better here. Doesn't seem to sag as much. I'm gonna open it now. And that's still the same down there. But looking better. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a day right there. Like I said, the door fits a lot better. It's more even up here at the top, you can tell. And the body line's almost there, and the door, there's absolutely no drag in it now. So I think we're close. I keep on saying that, but I just need to figure out the this area down here. If I can see down here. Figure out this area here with the fender. But just me ratchet strapping it back and forcing that back plate of the A-pillar to go backwards more really helped fit the door better, got the drag off of it, and the fender does fit better. The other day it was popping almost straight up in the air. Now there's just a little bit to it. So I'm thinking probably need to cut that back plate where I welded it and get it on here. Don't know really how to do that. May just have to order a new one and put it on there. I'll think about that though. Really happy with how the day went. Next video will be next Monday. Be 4th of July. It'll come out then. But if you have any suggestions on door gapping in the front of the door, let me know. I'm thinking shims on the hinge on the door will bring it this way. But then it needs to go back that way to get the gap on the back right. But well, I'll think about that. But yeah, if y'all have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. But I'm pretty happy. Anyways, this kind of stuff, please stick around. Like I said, videos won't be near as often this month, but but they'll be every Monday. So just bear with me through this, and if it works out for the best, we get better videos, better quality stuff, then we'll probably stick with it. But I ain't going nowhere. I'll be around working on this, and we got other stuff to mess with. But anyways, thank you for watching me this far. If you're new to the channel, if you like this kind of stuff, stick around. We got more to go through. As soon as we get the Bronco done, we got a 56 International, the Jaguar front and rear suspension, 65 Austin Healey that needs totally gone through, and a 78 Camaro in the barn that really needs attention. We got rid of our 50 Chevrolet and 65 short wide, so we're down a couple, but that freed up some money for the Bronco. Anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.